Hey everyone, Eric with Ruck & H. In this video, we're going to evaluate this white-on-white owner-operator set. This is DCP 601485 by Crazy for Green Farm Toys. I believe there's 252 of these made and introduced spring of 2023. Not only does it come with what you see there, but also load straps, extra set of mirrors, and a fifth wheel plate cover if you can see it in there. Let's get to this cab. It's got Firestones all the way around. It's triaxle, which I like, and it's got super singles on it, which I've not seen in a minute. Yellow engine underneath, single headlights up front, turnouts, and an airfoil, which is kind of a nice touch. Haven't seen this done for a while either, so that's kind of a neat deal. Chrome fifth wheel plate, and then your standard Transcraft step deck with matching Firestones on the back, cabinets between the spread. Gotta love it. If you like them, make sure you get one and go check out Diecast Library. That is where you can find all the data you can get your super freak on about DCP trucks. It's the only reference library of its kind, diecastlibrary.com.